This is the Decko garage door opener installation kit model 24999. Within the kit are all the components you should need to hang a standard garage door opener. Let's take a look at it. You get installation instructions. Shows you how to attach the hardware to a steel door or a steel or a wood door. Included in the kit is a bracket that attaches to the garage door itself. 4 pieces of angle iron to attach to the ceiling and drop down to the opener. 4 5/16 inch by 1 inch bolts and nuts. 2 carriage bolts and nuts. Self-tapping bolts for metal garage doors. And lag bolts for wood garage doors. I also give you an extra clevis pin, as those are sometimes lost during installation. This should be everything you need to install your garage door opener. The Decko model 24999.